Hi, my name is Usama. I am founder of Fast Marketing Agency. On this channel, I share real client success stories, social media marketing tips, and genuine result. Today, I am sharing feedback from one of our valued clients. Let's hear about their experience with Fast Marketing Agency.
Hi, this is Pirah. I'm just here to share my experience with Fast Agency. I have worked with them and they helped me grow my Instagram followers, and the entire process was smooth and professional. I highly recommend them. You should definitely give them a try too. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're looking to grow your Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube with Fast Marketing Agencies here to help, contact us through the detail in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more real client success story and marketing tips.